It's on.
Oh, hello, guys. What's going on? It's the lock picking. I mean, Mr. What up, motherfuckers? MrMaD up in this bitch coming at you, big guy. Then a motherfucker. So today, shout out to Evan Williams. This video is partially sponsored by Evan Williams in no monetary fashion whatsoever, though. Just I like to drink it. Fuck. I knew it. I knew it was gonna happen too. That's alright. I don't need lights. It's gonna flicker off anyways. So today, yeah, we got the Universal Yums box, the Super Yum box, which is the most expensive one that they got. It's $40. This box is from Poland. So I don't know if you remember the last one I had was from Colombia. And then, because I'm Colombian. Shout out to Colombia. What's up, Pablo Escobar? See you. My cousin. I mean, my uncle. This one is from Poland because, I don't know, my dad liked Polish women all his life, so I kind of accustomed myself to Polish people. And plus, I live in Chicago. There's all types of Polacks everywhere. Anyways, so I wanted to see what they eat, you know? So I could be like, Jak się ma, stoja David, co to jest, Universal Jams, or some shit like that. I don't know what they say. Something, I got a big hooey. Because hooey means thing. Anyways. So, the land with the largest castle. Is that Poland? I don't know. Guys, in the comments, anybody? I don't think anybody watches me that's from Poland. I really doubt it, but anyways, for you unfamiliar, and if you don't want to watch my 35-minute videos or whatever from before, this is going to be another one of those, just so you fucking know. Universal Yums has this like thing where they just grab a bunch of snacks from like certain countries, and then every month they send you the shit, but you gotta pay for a subscription. So what I do, and I'm not advising that you do this, but I'll just buy one box and then cancel my shit because I don't want the next month's box, because I just want the boxes that I want. Why don't you do that, Universal Yums? Just let me select what I want. Let me know what's up. Anyways, it doesn't matter. Let me crack this bitch open and see what the fuck's going on here. Oh, so the last time I read all this shit about Poland, Colombia and all this other shit. This time it's gonna take too long, and I'm not in the mood, and I can't even see. It's fucking dark as shit in here. So just I don't know. I guess if you want to read it, I'm gonna put this like right here. You're not gonna be able to read it anyways, because my camera's not even that good. So I'll just pause it right there. You can pause it right there. I mean, if you really want to, I'll leave it up for a couple seconds. Maybe it'll focus better. And then it's something like Yum Awards or whatever. I don't know. We'll see. There it is. So that's good enough for me. I don't really care. I mean, it's cool. It's a lot of information that I probably would read to you. But look at this booklet, man. This. I don't have time. I don't have that kind. You don't have that kind of time to watch me do all this shit. If you really want to, leave a comment below, and I'll make a separate video just for that. I just want to try this shit because I want a snack right now. I'm not hungry, but I want to snack a little bit, you know? So, I have no idea how to pronounce any of this shit. Really wish there was better lighting. This one looks pretty funny. Mm-hmm. It looks like the Kaboom cereal. Remember that?
Yeah.
Kaboom. It's like a bunch of little clowns. So, again, $40 box gives you the most shit possible. The most variety and all this other shit. And this looks like I don't know, like old Snyder pretzels. Mm-hmm. You know? But it's not pretzels, obviously, it's chips. Woo, I'm never gonna learn how to pronounce any of this shit. Polish is so hard, trust me. I've tried to learn just the little words that I do know is like daj mi zimne piwa. And I'm not even probably saying that correctly. It means give me a cold beer. Daj me dupa, I would say give me some ass, I think. I think dupa means ass. Dupa, yeah. So anyways, woo, I'm gonna try, but I'm gonna butcher everything. Trust. Alright. Wiejski ziemniaczki koperek. So it looks like sour cream and dill, or maybe some dill chips. I could be 100% wrong. And I'm not even gonna attempt to read the bag. No nutrition facts, none of this shit. I'm not doing it. I'm just gonna eat it and enjoy it, and that's what we're gonna do on this video tonight. It's already 5 fucking minutes. It smells alright. It smells like pop chips, like those fake, you know, that they make. Ooh, wow. Alright. It's good.
It's good.
But it's as if you made rye bread into a chip. That's what it tastes like, rye.
But it's a good snack.
It is a good snack. It's not salty, like overly salty. You know, it's not too greasy. It's airy, light, fluffy, crisp. Very delicious. You Polacks know what you're doing out there in Poland. Because y'all ain't rich. Poland, no?
I think they don't eat too much sweets. But we'll see.
I don't know. I know they eat a lot of potatoes, so that's what I was expecting.
Oh, okay.
Tons of potato. Don't get me wrong. I ain't dissing y'all. I love Polish food. Pierogi, galupki. She don't like it that much. But I like all that shit. Sauerkraut, you know what I'm saying?
I'm just picky.
She's a picky eater. These are good. So, I still don't know what it is.
It's good.
Nowy, lepszy, szklad. I don't know. Polskis. I don't know. Somebody please translate all this shit. I can't read Polish. Everything is consonants. Unnecessary amount of consonants. You know?
After we're done with the backstage, that maybe we can find in some Polish.
I'm gonna ask.
Maybe.
I'm gonna ask my dad's woman,
Wow.
who will remain unnamed for now.
She's Polish.
She's Polish. Okay. Next, on to the next one. The Kaboom cereal looking ones. I know what that word says. Original. Original recipe. So, Monster Munch Original by Lauren Snack World. It's got a bunch of little ghosts or faces or something. And Strakni Lubik, Strajny Schmachny, Jack Dor. I really gotta learn Polish, man. It's gonna be the next Spanish, watch. Everybody thought French was gonna be the next big language, you know? It's either Chinese or fucking Polish, man. At least in Chicago. I don't know about all the y'all niggas, but.
I like your name.
This smells like Cheez-Its.
Let me see.
Smell it. Smell it through the bag, baby.
Yeah.
Like Cheez-Its.
Ooh, they're like little ghosts.
They're like little ghosts, but it smells like real cheese. I don't know what texture that is. It's not crackers.
And it's not chips.
It's not chips. It's some type of formed. It's good. Got a little staleness to it.
Wait, how did you have it? It'll be your face. Trying to wink.
They're really good though. You Polish people know what you're doing out there, man. Maybe because I kind of grew up doing this shit, you know.
I like them.
I like them.
It's not sweet and it's not salty.
It's not super salty. It's not super like greasy and you know like American is just thick, you know, thick everything. Wait, hey, don't get me wrong. I love American everything, but this just feels. Look, this one's. Can you see the anomaly here? One is just heavily saturated in cheese. What is this? I don't. Is this potato? I don't know. Well, it's a potato salt. It's a potato snack salted. It's got sunflower oil, potato powder. That's what I felt like. It's formed. Like somebody made this. Corn, starch, wheat, flour, potato starch, sweet, wheat, whey powder. So it's like, I don't know, like pop chips, I guess, again, you know. So these actually have the instructions, the ingredients in English. Let me see what this one was. Oh, potato crisp with dill flavor. So I'm gonna start looking at the back. dill. I knew it. Didn't I say dill earlier? Yeah, it's potatoes, sunflower oil, sugar, onion powder, blah, blah, blah. Yogurt powder. That's like the creaminess. Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's not make this a long ass video. It's still going to be like 20 minutes or so. I'm just shaving 10 minutes off by not reading all this bullshit. And I will be... At first I thought, I'm like, all right, I'm going to buy these and I'm going to snack it and then I'm going to give them away because they're probably going to suck, you know? I'm not giving them away this time.
You didn't finish your whole whiskey bottle. You're drinking it too much too fast.
It's Sunday, though. The day of the Lord. You believe? Happy Williams. I love you, God. Come on. All right. Next up, Crunchies Sticks. This looks like a can of Hunt's tomato soup. Or what's that brand that makes Campbell's tomato soup? It looks like Campbell's tomato soup. Like Campbell's stick soup. I see the word paprika. So I'm assuming it's paprika flavored potato strings. You know, like...
red bell pepper?
No, paprika. Well, I don't know. Maybe paprika for them is... Let's check the ingredients. No, potato sticks with paprika flavor. Potato, sunflower, salt, paprika powder, onion powder, sweet whey powder, sugar, cheese powder, tomato powder, white pepper flavoring, smoke flavoring, yeast extract, color, paprika extract. May contain gluten. Shout out to my boy Celiac. That's it. I don't know. And then you call some number and I don't know what they're gonna do. It's only 12 digits long.
Right.
9 digits. Anyways, continue. Let's crack this whole open and see what the fuck's going on here. Potato strings. We have these in the United States. I can tell you this though, they're not paprika flavored. And you know I love me some paprika.
Yes, you do.
Ooh. That is oh. Because I don't want to like hit it. That is fucking great. This is weird. But it tastes like Texas barbecue in a way. Like barbecue chips almost too, right? Like barbecue chips. But it's paprika. But I can taste that tomato too. So the thing is, if you could see here, the density of the strings. I don't know how they do this. It's like hash browns. It's hash browns made into chips that have ketchup on them. That's what it tastes like. It tastes like hash browns with ketchup and a little bit of cheese. Right?
I like them.
Fucking amazing.
They're good.
I'm going to Poland next.
I know, right?
I'm going to fucking Poland next, on the real.
You got good snacks.
Alright. So, crackers. Nah, I mean, come on. If it ain't white, it ain't right. Huh? I'm racist. Oh, wait. Why is this upside down? So this side is this way, but then you flip it like this and you get the right side. So I don't know what to do here. You know what I mean? I don't know. Anyway, this is crackers. That's it, crackers. Eastern European crackers, baby. Jak się masz? Noe. To ja noe.
Dzień dobry.
Dzień dobry. That's good morning or good night? I don't know. Oh no, dobranoc is good night. Alright, so crackers. Okay. They smell like the Ritz crackers that I have that have like every flavor on them. The everything Ritz or something. You probably won't like them. She's always talking shit about the coolest shit ever.
Yeah, right.
Everything Ritz, like that's the best chip, and then you put the fucking squeezed cheese on it. You didn't like it? Alright, well, not my favorite.
They're not strong, though. They're good. They're okay.
They're too dense. Alright. Not my favorite.
Yeah, I could see me eating these. Like when you want something.
So they're very dense. They're very thick. They're very
Like an hour or two after you ate, I would eat them.
These are very stick to your ribs. Feel. Like I feel like if I ate that whole bag, I wouldn't want any more dinner for the rest of the night, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Doesn't have to eat it after. Like, when you want a late night snack.
I'm still eating them though, so they're pretty good. They got a heavy tomato flavor. Let's see what the ingredients are. Upside down. They're so dense. It's like swallowing a bag of sand. And I ain't talking titties. Bags of sand, you know?
What are you over there?
No, I mean, you ever felt a titty?
Yes.
It's like a bag of sand.
Give me next.
Well, let me read the ingredients. Hold on. Wheat flour, vegetable oil, which is called rape seed. What? Sugar, dried onion, salt, black cumin seeds. Oh, black people. Leavening. Monosodium glutamate, which is MSG, glucose, natural. I don't know. It's just, I don't know. Crackers with black cumin seeds and onion. I don't know. That's it. Alright. That's alright. It was alright. These look like just regular ass pretzels. So let's just. But it's got like a picture of caviar on them. If you could see that, because I don't know if you can see anything in this dark lighting.
Why do you scream at it like?
Huh?
Why are you screaming at it?
I thought maybe if I screamed at it, it would charge the batteries longer. No? That's not a thing. Alright, well anyways. This is wheat flour, poppy seeds, rape seed oil, sugar, salt, corn syrup, sodium. Pretzel sticks with poppy seeds.
Ooh.
So it's not caviar. Poppy seeds. So we're gonna fail our drug tests. The poppy seeds make you test positive for opium. Which, I mean, who's done opium since the last 2,000 years? I don't know. Maybe 1,000 years. Maybe the last couple hundred years. Ooh, but it is a lot of poppy seeds on that shit. So if you like poppy seeds, and I do. I prefer my poppy seeds on a hot dog bun when I'm eating a Chicago style hot dog. But this is also a welcome alternative. What do you think?
It's just weird.
They taste a little stale.
But it's weird for me.
Right? Is it?
Yeah, because I'm used to the poppy seeds
Oh.
being in bread.
They're not overly salted. You know, like most pretzels is just like crystals of salt. So this is just the bread part with some poppy seeds. It's like a stale hot dog bun from Chicago. But very thin and manageable. Delicious. You gotta chew it up though first, you know? Once you chew it up, it's like, all right, then you reap the benefits of everything. Testing negative on our. So we're still gonna be on some 30-minute shit. Alright, whatever.
Paluski?
You're good. I'm sweating.
Paluski.
Okay. It's whatever. What is this? This looks like, I don't know what the hell this is. Chocolate covered gingerbread with apple filling. We'll leave the desserts for later. Who's mimicking me?
It was texting us.
No, Amazon. So more pretzels, I think. No, pretzel sticks, cheese and onion flavored. All right, here we go. All right, let's see. Palucci. 100 grams, baby. Let's Smells like the bag. Now through the bag, take one of those. Take two of those. I don't give a shit.
No, do not want.
Wow. Ow. That is powerful. It's strong. They're dry. This is a pretzel stick. Dry as hell. Alright.
What is that strong flavor in it?
Onion. It's onion. Just like Polish people in their armpits. Onion. But it's so good. Super dry though. They're too thick. Not salty enough. They're good. The taste of the bread and everything is high quality. You could tell. The onion and the cheese. The cheese is what makes it like kind of like thick, right? Dense as hell. Let me put those to the side. It's good though, but yeah.
Half.
I need water.
Looking for water.
Okay. Wow. It's like swallowing sand. Maybe my least favorite. I don't know. We'll see. What is this? Man, they give you a lot of shit in this bitch. Orange flavored crispy biscuit with cream filling in the orange flavored shell. I don't know. Is it? Alright, I think we're still on salty though, right?
Yeah. Yes.
What is that?
Oh,
What is that?
cake.
Reese's. Cake.
Mini cake.
No, that's too much. There's two of those, so we don't have to review two of them. Thank God. There's too many cakes. This looks fucking luxurious, though. What is that? Delice. Anyways, all right. So crackers. Here we go. More crackers. Feria crackers. Dame la feria, way.
No.
No, that's not. They don't do that over there.
Nope.
With Provenance herbs. This sounds promising.
Are you drunk already?
I'm drunk already, yes.
Yeah.
I didn't, wait, what did I eat earlier? Pastrami and rye. And chips made with pastrami. Because I'm broke, nigga. So I eat whatever's in the fridge nowadays. Alright, anyways. Oh. Alright, this is a mess right here.
The first one.
Right, the first few ones were fucked up. Well, whatever. I'm gonna eat this one here. I'm gonna give you that one. I'm gonna eat one of these too.
Smells real. It smells like herbs when you smell
Yeah.
it again. Real herby.
Yeah.
Did you smell it though?
Yeah, it smells like an herb garden.
You could taste a little bit of herbs.
I had all the broken shit and the crumbs and all that. It's not my favorite. It's dry. It tastes like an herb garden. I need water. Alright. Maybe it is time to move over to the sweets. But the chips and all that shit, they were great. Wait, let me see what these were, first of all. Crackers with herbs de Provenance. Did I say that already?
Yes.
Wheat flour. They love wheat flour and rape seed oil. Potato starch. They love potatoes. Polish love their potatoes. Ammonium bicarbonate. One thing I'm supposed to be eating there. Sodium bicarbonate. That's alright. That's baking soda. Sodium metabisulfate. Hold on. Come on.
Oh, well.
Well, whatever. I'm trying to
Everybody's
die.
gonna
I was
die
supposed to die
anyway.
at 30. I'm 38
Yeah,
now,
see?
so
See?
I don't know what the
There
hell
you
I'm
go.
trying to do in my life.
See? There you go. It all works out. I'll be
It really does all work out. Anyway, on to the sweets, I guess, right? Start with these, I guess.
Yes. Is
Whatever
that
this
coconut?
is. I hope it is fucking coconut.
Oh,
God damn it. You know
yeah.
I hate coconut.
Oh, yeah.
Polish people, you should know I don't like coconut. All right.
Everybody knows coconut.
Chocolate flavored cookies with cream and coconut dipped in cocoa glaze. Alright, well, let's open them up, see what the fuck his Mini Mick is on. Open his Mega Mick is. Yeah, I'm Mini Mickey. Ooh, these look luxurious. I'm gonna eat one because we're gonna split one. That's what I'm saying. Like we're gonna split one. All right, look at that. There it is. Coconuts everywhere.
Just in the bottom, or just in the bottom. I mean, not in the bottom.
What?
The coconut's on top. Okay?
The coconut's definitely on top. It's not bad though.
I thought it was about.
I would have ate a whole one just now. Oh, the coconut just kicked in. Never mind. The chocolate, everything, the cracker. I don't like coconut.
It's good.
I don't know why I don't like coconut. I like coconut water. I like those virgin coconuts, you know, like the white ones that you just drink the water from and that's it. But like coconut shavings, they just make my life miserable. Evan Williams, I love you, God.
That makes your life miserable?
No, this thing's not like great.
You're almost finishing that bottle?
That's the thumbnail.
You got more water there. Just in case you think.
Anyway, what's next? These? Pierzniczki. I can't pronounce that. What? It doesn't tell me what it is. Oh, chocolate covered gingerbread with apple filling. Okay. Self-explanatory. Wow, that is apple like motherfucker.
What is an apple here?
No, but there's an apple here. Come.
Wow.
That is apple.
Apple chocolate.
Fuck Microsoft, eh? Look at that. This thing looks like a heart. Just in time for Valentine's Day.
Thank you.
Happy venereal disease. VD, because that's what mine looks like a. Mine does not look. Oh, maybe. Like mine looks more like a triangle, I guess. It's a regular ass triangle. Right. No, I like it. Not my favorite. That's not bad. As you chew it, it gets better.
I like this type of texture chocolate.
Yeah. As you chew it, it gets better because it is apple. It's not too sweet.
Is that cinnamon?
It is gingerbread. No.
Oh, gingerbread.
It's chocolate covered gingerbread with apple filling. It's exactly what they say it is. It is really chocolate covered gingerbread with an apple filling. It's not bad. This is not my favorite. Alright, next one. Which one?
That one.
Dr. Gerard.
G-R?
Dr. Gerard.
Oh.
Passion, orange flavor. Crispy biscuit with cream filling in the orange flavor shell. Alright. Now you gotta finish your responsibilities.
It's too chocolatey.
That's life. Sometimes life gets too chocolatey.
Am I gonna make chocolate?
Huh?
Then I gotta make chocolate.
You gotta eat them. Everybody witness. Can I get a witness? It's still 30 minutes. So I didn't save y'all niggas shit. And I started reading the bullshit.
just cut one.
Yeah, one in half.
Share,
Although, these smell really flame. You may want a whole one. I think you want a whole one. Get a whole one.
No.
I'm gonna eat a whole one.
Okay, you
do a
can
whole
eat
one.
another whole half.
That smells so.
Sweet
No, you don't even know. Try one. This, I'm gonna call it right now. This is gonna be my favorite thing out the shit. Guys.
Good. I'm not trying to have diabetes. I don't know, it's too sweet. Well, too sweet for me. You like them?
This is my favorite one.
Okay.
Crispy biscuit with cream filling in the orange flavored shell. Wow. I don't want to eat another one, dude. It's too good. That's my favorite one. What's that, the Gerard? Dr. Gerard. Oh. I didn't even realize the fucking whatever shit was Dr. Gerard as well. Those are phenomenal though. I will fuck with those heavy. If I wanted a sweet thing.
Yeah. No, I could eat my coconut one.
For sweets, that's the best one. For salty, it's a toss up between the paprika ones or the
first two I like.
The first one, yeah. I think the first one. Delice. They're not Italian though. They probably say it's some 100% different. Hazelnut cream filled meringue dipped in dark chocolate. Oh my lord. That sounds fucking amazing. It's not gonna stay out for more than like a minute. Oh man. I'll take whatever lighting we can get, I guess. Alright. Pauline, come on. Yeah, that's what I thought.
Sat down.
I know it. Wow, these are luxury. Look at that. You only get 5 per box. So you know there's some real shit right here. These are probably Delice. No? Alright, that's fine. Oh wait, now I gotta figure out what these are.
Oh no, you get 10 then.
Is it 10?
Yeah.
Oh, fine.
It's
Oh,
on the
okay.
bottom.
2 servings per container, serving size 5 cookies. Okay.
Okay,
Made in Poland. Then I'll tell you what they are. Sugar, dark chocolate, sugar, blah, 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 wheat, hazelnuts, peanuts, egg whites. It's hazelnut cream-filled meringue. Did I say that already? Dipped in dark chocolate? Whatever. Let's try them out. These look fucking premium. Premium. This is what I spent the $40 on. All these other bullshit, $6 max. This is like $15 right here. This is Lindor truffles right now. Highly recommended, by the way. Lindor truffles. They're so light. Alright, maybe this
What's
is like...
the one on the bottom? Let me see. Oh, the same thing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
These feel like freeze-dried. I know what this is. What are you doing?
Didn't you see that?
Wow. So I know what this is. This is egg whites that have been whipped into a sturdy... This is my favorite thing out of the entire box.
It tastes like those little eggs for Easter. Some chocolate eggs.
Oh, no. Meringue is egg whites, and you whip it with sugar until it becomes like a little, like one of these, like a crust. Almost like freeze-dried food. Then I can't not eat these. So I'm gonna. These are my favorite. I'm gonna call it right now. These are the best thing that ever happened to this box.
I think we're gonna say best thing that ever happened to you.
Best thing that happened to this Poland box. Hazelnut cream filled meringues dipped in dark chocolate. So, someone took the time to fork beat some egg whites with some sugar in it until you grow stiff peaks and let them sit and congeal, and they become like air, like foam, like that, like aerogel. And then they dip that in chocolate, dark chocolate, delicious, phenomenal dark chocolate with hazelnut cream in the. Just it's a picture right there. This is all right. This is where it's at. This is where it's at. I'm glad I paid all this money for that. This one thing. This is the real deal. Poland, bring this back to the States.
I know, right?
That was great.
Yeah.
That was fucking phenomenal. Wow, that is the best thing I've had
In ages.
in ages. All right, mini cakes. We got 2 of those. We're gonna try those too.
Many days.
I'm gonna eat half, and she's gonna eat half. Man, that meringue. Oh my god. We used to make those in Colombia. It's hard. It takes like 20 minutes to whip the eggs into the right form. It's okay. It's cool.
Oh God.
It's not bad.
My teeth.
I don't know.
Seriously.
It's good. It is a mini cake, a sponge cake with decoration, and it's apricot flavored. Apricot. They both are. So let's set this to the side. But this one that we ate, it is good. It is delicious, right?
I like it.
It is really delicious, but you gotta have a sweet tooth for that right now.
Uh-huh.
Oh my god, please. They gave us like every fucking chocolate bar in the world. What is this? I don't know what that is. Nut break. Sounds dangerous. Krokovi. I don't know. Oh my god, why did they give us so much candy? And then an entire, and a yum bag on top of that? Man, this video's gonna be like an hour long. You're not gonna eat the rest? I'm gonna eat the rest of
I
it.
eat it.
This is great. This is great.
You didn't open the rest of the candy bars? Chocolate? Ugh.
I don't know. It's too much sweet, Pauline.
And I thought they were big on sweets.
I thought y'all were big on vodka. What the hell's going on here? Alright. This is taking too long. Milk Kiz. Extra smack Mileka Tabak. What is this? What are you doing?
There's a variety of different stuff.
Milk chocolate bar with milk filling. Ooh, that sounds good. I'm just gonna eat like 1 node of this. I'm not gonna eat the whole bar, that's for damn sure. I'm gonna split 1 node because it has a milk filling. Yeah, it smells good though. Oh, it's 2. I'm gonna eat 1 and she's gonna eat 1. There we go. Tastes like a chocolate bar with milk filling.
Yes.
Tastes like Similac.
Your baby formula?
Yeah, it's too much milk. What is this one? Nut break, full of nuts, like my ball sack. We're gonna eat 1 of these.
You're gonna eat 1.
Well, I'm gonna eat 1. I'm just
Yeah. I reached my limit.
push it to the limit. Oh no, there's 2 of them, so you gotta eat 1.
No. Don't push me.
You close to the edge.
Yes, I go to the edge. I'm trying to not lose. Okay, yeah.
No, just a lot of sweet. Doing good though. Okay, very sweet. The milk one I enjoyed better, honestly. Krokovi. What is this one? A milk chocolate bar with caramel filling. I would love this. I love anything caramel filling-ish. Let me just stop right here. One little bite. Right here. It's not 2 this time.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, 5-second rule.
I didn't even see it. Yeah, ooh. Wow. You gotta try that one.
No.
My favorite chocolate bar now.
What's it called?
Krokovi? I don't know.
Let me see.
It's really good.
No, I want to see the price.
No, you gotta try one.
No, I can't.
Just try this one.
No.
At least half,
No.
and then I'll eat your other half. Just try that
I
one.
still have this chocolate in my mouth.
Try this one though.
Oh my goodness. They're so big.
It's so good.
What is that, caramel?
Wow. Poland. Come on. Y'all niggas. Y'all know what you're doing. You're the next Mexicans. You're the next Mexican. Like, I'm calling it right now. You know how everybody's like coming to the border Mexican style? Poland is gonna be, and they're gonna be, everybody's gonna be like, oh, the Krokovi bar. I like that better than tacos. Just telling you. It's the new shit.
But tacos is quicker to make.
Yeah, I don't know. Dark chocolate covered marshmallow. This is like Peeps. 41 minutes. All right. You didn't save any time. Imagine if I would have read that shit too. You know, that would have been a problem. I don't even know how my phone has this much memory.
I'm saying.
Ooh, all right. So, dark chocolate mushrooms. I mean, marshmallow. That's what they were. Smell like Barry Girl's poops. It smells like Baby Girl's poops.
Baby girl is our doggy.
They like Baby Girl's poops
She's
too.
a little chihuahua.
Not bad.
And it's about the size of her poops.
Well,
Sometimes.
she likes to poop. She loves to poop. It's not bad though. Not my favorite again. Alright, so finally, oh my god, we reached the end. I don't even want any more snacks, man. Come on, snack box or whatever. Fuck, be reasonable.
You know what was a good idea? They should have thrown a little alcohol bottle.
Well, yeah, a bottle of fucking Voda.
Yeah.
Some Voda. All right, let's. I know this one has too much of everything.
I can't even eat this.
I know. All right, so we got a bunch of these.
Just Sean, don't even.
No, I'm gonna eat at least one of each.
Oh my goodness.
Ugh, I know my stomach is just churning. Jogushi, I don't know. That's that. We got 3 of these. Motherfucker. 3 of these. 4 of these. What am I looking at here? Oh, I don't know. I'm sugar overloaded right now. I can't even think. I'm gonna something about nectar. I'm gonna eat one of these here. Let's see what's going on. This looks like a gelled treat. It's like the gummy bear that, remember?
Oh yeah, the one that I posted?
Yeah, it's like,
Where it
you're
turns into
becoming
one?
me, bruh.
Where 2 becomes 1.
It's good. It's sweet. Okay. I like it though. That's actually delicious. I will fuck with that. Stonege, something.
This one is pretty good.
Yeah, it is pretty good.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get rid of all the ones that say that though. Stonege is that, whatever the fuck. Okay. And what's next? Krożka. So this is gonna be these, the ones that are like little cow things. I'm gonna eat one. Or half, I guess. Krożka. Am I saying that right, guys? Come on. Krożka. I wish I had Polish friends. Art.
I was gonna say you do.
Patrick, who's a homosexual. Oh, Patrick's license plate says Pizda because he's a fucking pussy.
Your dad's
Oh yeah, my
wife?
dad's woman.
Yeah.
I don't
It's Polish.
She's probably Polish. I mean, not anymore. All right, this is like a solid block of caramel. No, but it's not.
Well, do you remember I told you I don't like? How many times have I told you I don't like caramel? I'm not big.
But it's not. That tastes like milk.
Like the Mexican caramel.
No, that is like milk and butter and sugar.
There's a Mexican kind of tastes like that. Similar, kind of close.
That's really good. Well, I told you, Mexicans are the next. I mean, Polish are the next Mexican.
It's similar. But
Right.
that's only when I would. Oh yeah, be in the mood for sweets.
What's next? So we got. Oh boy, I don't know what. I wish I knew what all this shit says. It's a bunch of little assorted candies. I don't know. Do they matter? One has a red thing. One is like all yellow. One has like black and gold. These three are the same, so I'm gonna try one of these, I guess. Oh no, these are the same. Are
You
they?
should get the Mexican box next time.
Well, they don't have a Mexican box.
Oh, they haven't showed it?
I haven't seen one.
Oh. Do you get alerts for what's next in the next month?
I just kind of see it. I see it. All right, this looks like a roach egg. You know. Oh. All right. Look at that. What?
That roach egg.
This is a. All right. Whoa.
Whoa.
That is great.
Uh,
Try that.
a little bit.
Wow. What was that?
Roach egg.
Yeah. That was really good. Surprisingly. What is it? They don't tell you what it is.
The middle part tastes like Gerber baby food.
I know. Maybe that's why I like it. I don't know. Okay. So how you doing?
I mean, they're too sweet. I can't finish them.
Alright. It's gonna be an hour now. 50 minutes, let's say. We got 3 more minutes. My sugar levels are through the roof right now. I think I have diabetes. Plus, I've been drinking. Alright. Alright, these 3 look identical. There's a lot of sugar, man. Yum Box, focus on salty shit. Alright, this looks like some type of orange candy. Pink candy, I don't know. May have. Oh. Wow. So, I really enjoy all of their candy. Everything they have is unnecessarily soft. Like you don't need strong teeth to bite right through it. But it hits you in the back of the throat with the sweetness.
Isn't this the same texture of the elephant candy? The peanuts?
The circus peanuts.
Circus peanut,
No.
No?
It has a crust to it.
What, the circus peanuts or these? Oh. Is it gum?
No, it's not gum. That's the thing. It has the consistency of gum. But it's just like candy.
Okay, yeah, I see it now.
But it's really good.
Because it's melting.
Yeah, it just melts in your...
I thought it was gum.
No, give me the rest of that. I don't know what this is. I don't know. It's like, yeah, it would have been a gum.
But then it just
But it's
melts
not.
like candy.
Yeah. Alright, a couple more.
Oh my goodness.
I know.
Papa.
I can't read none of this shit. What? Okay. So these 2 look the same, right? I'm gonna try one of those. Alright, same thing, roach eggs. This is gonna be soft, I guess, right? Look, it has like a chocolate shell. And chocolate innards. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know what this one is. I gotta assume they're all the same. They just have different innards. Like that one has chocolate. One has like, what was the other one?
The gummy one?
Gummy. Yeah.
Chicken.
We're almost out of battery. It's been an hour. Almost. It was really good though. I didn't give you the last one.
Yeah.
One last one, final. This is the last piece here. That's unique. Wow. Everything here has been great though. Shout out to Poland, man. I don't know what y'all niggas are doing, but. Oh! Come here. Eat this one. I wish they had a whole bag of this. This is lemon pez. Trust me, this is lemon pez. You ever had pez?
Yes.
Candies? Like the one where you open the neck and you eat the shit that comes out of the neck? That was my favorite candy from Poland. Where do I get more of these?
As your Polish.
Jogushi. Give me that, Poland. Send me these. I want that. Jogushi. Lemon Pez. Motherfucker. Chris. That's my Polish friend. I forgot I had Polish people that I know.
See, when you think about it, you have more than you thought.
Man. That's my favorite thing of the whole box.
Hurry up.
Now I can die in peace. I thought I was gonna die in peace.
No, then it's a hassle to bury you and pay for all
And
that.
then you're not gonna upload or remove my deets from the.
No, see, you have to finish release the video
Man.
and remove it.
Alright, well anyways.
And edit them.
The deets, yeah. Well anyways, you can't cop this box right now. It's done. It's the next month. It's like Greece or something stupid. I don't know, Thailand or something. Yeah, I don't know. Something I had no idea. Maybe I should. Nah, I'm not gonna subscribe to it. I was gonna say maybe I should, but yeah, I ain't got that kind of money. Everything was flame though, right?
Yep.
Everything was really good. So whoever designed these boxes at Super Yum or whatever, or Yum Land or whatever the fuck they call them, Universal Yums. You got some good taste buds, I'll tell you that, because you know exactly what is delicious. And I'm glad I didn't read the shit. It would have taken another 20 minutes. But anyways, man, what was your favorite?
The first one, the chips.
Which one? These? The dill chips? Okay. I really enjoy.
Hey, you should find those when we're done with those. As your Polish friends. I want those chips.
I do like the dill chips for the chips.
For the sweets, I really love these.
I didn't like these as much, but she really liked those. But I really love these. Oh my god. For the sweets. These were really fucking good too. The orange ones, oh my god. It was alright. It wasn't bad. As far as these were fucking phenomenal.
Oh yeah.
These shit, yeah, definitely those. They're on the floor now. But like my candy, definitely that Pez candy is the one that I like. These were good too though. Well, you saw the video. I mean, everything. The pretzels, they're pretzels. Everything else, everything was flame though. I can't even fucking call it, man. But if I had to pick a favorite right now out of the entire box, it would be the orange cookies. Honestly. No. I'm sorry. Yes. I don't know. What's the pick? No, the orange cookies. These were great too, though. This is good. First, second for sweets. The apple is probably third. For salty, I think these are gonna be first. Second. And definitely third, right there. So, runners up. Nothing was bad. Nothing was horrible. Maybe the crackers were a little dry. I don't know, but everything was pretty fucking great, right? I don't know. Anyways, thank you for watching. It's a long ass video. Peace out.